Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Arc Raiders and you keep getting this error, corrupted install detected, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on Arc Raiders easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to go on to your Steam and then you're going to right click on Arc Raiders, you're going to go into properties, you're going to go into launch options, and here you're going to write -dx11 if you're playing on DirectX 12 and try the game that way. But if you're already playing on DirectX 11, then what you're going to do is you're going to write here -dx12 and then try to play the game in that way. And that should fix your issue. But if it didn't, then there's another method that you can do. So you're going to open up your start menu. You're going to write here memory integrity. You're going to go into core isolation then. And here you're just going to turn memory integrity off. Only turn this off while you're playing Arc Raiders. And then it's going to ask you to restart your computer. So go ahead and restart your computer. And after you're done playing Arc Raiders, then enable memory integrity back. So whenever you're playing Arc Raiders, just disable it that time only. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was to fix Arc Raiders corrupted install detected error. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you in my next video. Peace.